What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 hidden settings in Windows to give your PC an overall performance boost in Fortnite. These tweaks I show you should give you stable FPS, less delay, and lower ping. All 5 of the settings I'm showing you have been used by many pro players to gain an advantage over other players and are included in my extreme tweaking tool, which I do want to let you know about. I've created a tweaking tool for Windows that optimizes your PC with more than 1,000 tweaks to give you higher FPS, lower ping, and zero delay, all with the click of just a few buttons. There is a Malacity Pro and an Extreme version, so be sure to check them out at malacitytweaks.com or in our Discord in the description. Anyways, let's get into these tweaks. Alright, so in the description of this video, there's going to be a link to a Discord server. That's the Malacity Tweaks Discord. Join that Discord and verify right here. This is the only channel that you're going to have, but after you verify, you're going to get access to all of these channels here. When you get access to all of these channels, come down to the free tweaks channel. After that, you'll get 2 Go files. This is our free tweaking utility, and then this is the Go file for today's video. This has 2 files in it, so make sure you're getting the right one, although this one has the .bat inside of it, and I'll be explaining to you in a few minutes why we're using the free tweaking utility for the registry tweaks. Anyways, come over here and download both of these. So we have the registry paths.txt, which is all of the tweaks that we're going to be using. Then we have the Malacity tweaks.bat. Like I said, I'll explain that in a minute. But if you do want to, you care, you can come over here and you can check the source code. A lot of people are saying that we have viruses in our code, which is just not the case. But if you come over here, you can look. We have all of these are just changing registry tweaks, changing tweaks from files and stuff, deleting files. We come down a little further, we have a bunch of local machines, which these are registry tweaks right here. If it has H key local machine, it's a registry tweak, and it's changing its value to 4. So that's, that has nothing to do with a virus, for an example. A bunch of PowerShell, these are removing. What else do we have here? Go a little further, and we have more registry tweaks, and then a bunch of deleting a bunch of files here. As you can see, this is OBS Studio, so if you have OBS Studio, right, but there are no viruses, so if you care to look through this just like I just did for you. No viruses. Anyways, download these. I'm just gonna download them and save them to your desktop. I already have this one downloaded. Pretty sure I already have this one downloaded too. Yeah, but just download these, and after you download them, come over to your desktop and you should have them right here. I have this one right here, so if I open up this .txt, it's going to give me all of the tweaks that we're going to be applying today. So there's 5 tweaks for today. This one's including the disable GPU preemption. We have Windows 32 tweaks, keyboard and mouse tweaks for lower delay between your PC and the keyboard and mouse, disable power throttling. This is a power setting inside Windows. We have distribute timers. This is a big one from the kernel. So these are very advanced tweaks. So I'm giving out the sauce. Anyways, why we're using this right here, and I'll explain it right now because we're going to be doing it. I'm just going to be using the free tweaking utility to create a restore point, because if something was to go wrong with your PC, I don't want you to be coming to me, texting me, oh, it's messing with my PC's all messed up now. If something does go wrong, which is very unlikely, all you're going to need to do is just restore your PC. So we're being safe. Of course we're going to be safe. I don't want to, fuck up your entire PC. So come over here and download the .bat and run it as an administrator. Right here, all you have to do is just type in 5 on your keyboard and click enter. It's going to say, would you like to create a restore point and registry point? And just say yes. Sorry, I didn't capitalize it. Just capital yes. Exists. I already have one, so I'm just going to say yes so that it just creates a new one. The operation completed successfully. I just did it a few times to make sure. Perfect. So here, already have it done. Now that that's done, if you really care, you can just delete this off your PC or run the tweaks if you want. I do have videos showing how to apply tweaks from the Velocity Tweaks free utility, so be sure to check those out if you care to have more tweaks on your PC or debloat your system. Anyways, let's come into here. We have all of these tweaks here. Perfect. Alright, so for the first tweak, we're going to be disabling GPU preemption, which you can do this inside of the registry editor. So how do you open the registry editor? You come down here to your Windows icon, and all you do is type in registry editor, and it'll pop up. It's the one with the little blocks, with the one block falling out. Just open this up, and how we're going to get to this path is copy the path from the .txt. Come over here. I already have it up right here, but come over here, highlight this, paste the new one in, and click enter. It's going to bring you to this screen right here, and all you want to do is right click on where there's nothing. New, come down to D word 32-bit. Make sure you're doing the D word 32-bit one. And then you want to come over here to disable preemption, which is inside the .txt. Copy that and paste it into this. So rename and paste. Enter. That's all you want to do for this tweak. You don't want to do anything else. You can leave it at 0. Alright, so for the second tweak, we're going to be messing with some priority tweaks in the registry editor, Windows 32 and IRQ tweaks. So to start this off, we're going to be doing the same thing we did in the last one. Copy this code right here, this little, not code, but this file. Come over here and make sure you keep the computer/part, and then highlight this part and just paste it. It's going to bring you here, and inside of this, what you're going to want to do is set the Windows 32 priority separation, which you should already have this one. If you don't, just make it. You can just copy and paste it in here. Same with these ones. I already have all of them set up, but for this one, what you're going to want to do is just click on it and make sure that the value data is set to 26. 26 works for like 99% of people, so just set it to 26. That should work perfectly for you, and click OK. Okay. After that, what you're going to want to do is we have 2 other tweaks to set. How you want to set these, I already have them set right here, as you can see. This one is 2 and this one's 1. But the way that you want to set yours if you don't have them is you want to go to dword 32-bit value. After right click new, dword 32-bit value, and then you want to just paste the name in. Make sure you paste the name in correctly. Rename, paste the name in. I already have it, so it's not going to set, but you want to paste the name in. Sorry, let me delete this real quick so it gets out of my way. You want to paste the name in, you want to click on it, and you want to set the value data to 1. You'll see it right here. You'll set it to 1. And then you want to do the exact same thing for IRQ 16 priority. All you're doing is changing the number to 16. You want to come over here, click it, value data to done. Alright, so for the next tweak, we're going to be messing with some keyboard and mouse data queue sizes. So how to do this one, you want to copy this just like the last time, paste it in here, enter. Now this time we're going to be coming over to here, just click on .NET, just click on one of these, and then press K on your keyboard. It should bring you to the KBD class, which if you open this file right here, you should get another file called perimeters. Click on perimeters, and it's going to bring you to the keyboard class, which has all of the registry tweaks for your keyboard. You want to come over here to the one that says keyboard data queue size, and you want to click on this, and you want to change the value data to 12. If yours isn't already 12, change it to 12, but mine was already 12, so I'm going to click OK, and there you go. That should mess with your keyboard. Now, how do we do the mouse one? What you want to do is you want to just click over here again and click M, and then come through the M, and you should find one that says MOU class. It's like a mouse class. You want to click this, you want to go into the file and go to perimeters again, and same thing as we did with the keyboard, you want to do with the mouse. You want to come to mouse data queue size, and you want to change it to 14 if it's not already at 14. Change it to 14 and then click OK. Now that is what we're going to do for these. Okay, now for the next tweak, we're going to be disabling power throttling. Let me change that. We're going to be disabling power throttling. So how do you do this? Same thing as the others. Copy this and put it in the registry editor. Sorry, let me Maybe it's this right here. Boom. Okay, perfect. So I have a problem here where I don't have the power throttling folder, which isn't necessarily a problem. We're gonna go through this. All you have to do is right click on power, click new, and then go to key, and then type in power, or here, you can just copy this right here. Click OK, rename, and then name it power throttling. Inside of this, you want to make a new D word 32-bit, and you want to name it power throttling off. So if I come over here, I rename it. After that, you just want to change the value data to 1. And boom, it'll have a 1 right here. Done. You've successfully disabled power throttling. So for the last and one of the best tweaks that we can do, which is a kernel tweak in the registry editor, is distribute timers. So same thing with the others. Let's just go here, change this, go here, boom. Now we're inside of here. Now distribute timers. So I already have it, I think, right here. So this is all done for me. If you don't have distribute timers, just same thing as the others, D word 32-bit value, and then make it. I already have it, so I'm going to delete that. But after you've made it and you've made it distribute timers, click on it and just set the value to 1 and click OK. And that's it for this video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. These tweaks should optimize your PC, so go run into a Fortnite game real quick, see if you have any less delay or higher FPS, and let me know in the comment sections if any of these tweaks worked. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video.